Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with expert insights and honest reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the soHygge 30-inch deep wave lace front wig. This lace front wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed 10A Brazilian virgin human hair, and it promises a natural look with a variety of styling options. It features a 13x6 HD lace that's pre-plucked, with bleach knots for a seamless natural hairline. The wig is designed to be glueless, with a density of 200%, making it full and thick, and it's touted as being tangle-free and shedding-free. When it comes to the product overview, this wig is made with deep wave human hair that can be styled to your preference, whether you're going for a side or middle part, a high ponytail, or a bun. It's versatile in that it can be dyed, bleached, straightened, or restyled to fit different occasions, from weddings and graduations to daily wear. The 13x6 lace gives you plenty of room for a flexible and natural-looking parting, and it's designed with Swiss lace that blends well with most skin tones. The adjustable straps and 4 combs make it easy to install, while the cap size fits most heads comfortably. Now let's talk real-world usage. When I first received the wig, I was impressed by how easy it was to install, thanks to the adjustable straps and secure combs. The wig's 200% density made it feel full and luxurious, and I could tell right away that the hair quality was excellent. There was no shedding, and the texture was soft and smooth. I styled it in a simple middle part and was pleased with how natural the hairline looked, especially with the pre-plucked design and baby hairs. One of the standout features is how versatile this wig is. I tried it out in a high ponytail, and the texture held up beautifully, giving it a natural wave. However, there are a few things to consider. The lace, while HD, did require a little customization to better match my skin tone. This isn't a major issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you're not familiar with working with lace wigs. Additionally, while the wig promises to be glueless, I found that using a bit of adhesive around the edges helped keep it in place more securely for longer periods, especially on hot days. This isn't a deal breaker, but just something to note if you're planning to wear it all day. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the quality of the hair is top-notch. No shedding, no tangling, and it takes to heat styling and dyeing well. The density gives it a thick, voluminous look, and the 13x6 lace offers plenty of parting room for customization. It's also great for a variety of occasions, from daily wear to special events. The pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs are nice touches that make the wig feel more realistic. On the downside, the lace does require some customization to match your skin tone, and although it's glueless, I found that a little adhesive helped it stay in place better throughout the day. As for value for money, considering the quality of the hair and the versatility it offers, this wig is a solid investment for anyone looking for a high-quality, stylish lace front wig. It's durable and provides a realistic look, making it well worth the price point if you're seeking a long-lasting, easy-to-style option. If you're comparing this wig to others on the market, there are certainly cheaper options, but they often lack the same level of quality and versatility. Many budget wigs might not hold up as well when styled or may shed more frequently. The 200% density, combined with the natural texture and customization options, makes this one stand out in the mid to high-end range of lace front wigs. When it comes to build quality, the materials used in this wig are durable, and the 200% density gives it a full, thick look that feels substantial without being overly heavy. As for longevity, I haven't had it long enough for a full assessment, but based on the initial impressions, I'm confident it will hold up well with proper care. In terms of customer support, I didn't need to reach out personally, but the brand does have a professional after-sales team, which is reassuring if you run into any issues or need assistance with the product. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other lace front wigs available in this price range, but they may not offer the same flexibility in styling or the same high-quality hair. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option, you could explore synthetic lace front wigs, but they won't provide the same natural feel or longevity as this human hair wig. To wrap things up, the soHygge 30-inch deep wave lace front wig is a solid choice for anyone seeking a versatile, high-quality wig. It offers great styling options, realistic texture, and a natural look, making it suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions. While it may require a bit of customization for the lace and a little extra hold for long wear, it delivers where it matters most: quality and performance. Is this review useful to you? If it helped, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that others looking for a high-quality lace front wig can find this video too. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to ask questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. If you already own the wig, I'd love to hear your experience with it. Until next time, stay beautiful with Beautyistic.